My brother Bilal Muhammad of Sister's Kitchen.
I'm Sister Leon Muhammad of Sister's Kitchen.
My name is Keith.
Sammy Davis.
Sister Kitchen is a family-owned business.
And we're located at the corner of Smithsville and Penn Avenue, which is 1100 Penn Avenue in the heart of Wilkinsburg at the old Exxon station.
This is the best wholesome food in Pittsburgh.
The best fried chicken and waffles in town.
A 12-inch fish subs with great, delicious fish sauce, you know what I'm saying? You might want to get that.
So much.
We have salmon burgers.
We have perch fillet sandwiches.
We have foot-long whiting fish.
We have chicken breast subs, foot long or 6-inch on wheat bread.
We have halal chicken baskets. We have halal chicken dinners.
Or you can get a fish dinner with fries and a drink for $6, or you can just get a fish basket by itself for $5.
And when he said it's fire, he said it's off the chain.